Alright guys, here we go. So this will be the unboxing of the radio that we're going to be installing in the XB in a future video. To get started, you need two things. Radio and your harness. Now, a lot of people are scared of wiring, and I'm one of those people. So I don't want to cut up the factory harness, and that's why I bought this. Link to this one is in the description. So all these wires here are already labeled. You can see there's some text on them. It's hard to see. But these two wires actually plug into the Toyota harness. So here's a Toyota harness. You plug this into, and then these are what you're going to solder and hook up to the radio right here. That way you're not messing up the harness. So besides the packing and the actual box it's shipped in, this is exactly what I got. Go ahead and open this up. You have your owner's manual. You have the radio, wiring and harness equipment, and you have the brackets here. Let's go ahead and move this inside. One harness, two, GPS, USB, the little harness, and the final USB. So, I'm assuming these would be for the Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. I'm assuming this is for the backup camera or something like that one. This one has video in and amp stuff written all over it. And this looks like this is the main body harness. We also have your GPS module. And finally the radio. Super shiny, you can see me. Let's look at the back. So, as you can see here, it does have all the connectors. Got a fuse. That's the main harness, and here's the sub harness. It looks like GPS. A quick look on here. I think that's the factory antenna. And this whole thing is very, very nice. Does feel, I mean, it does feel like if you bought like an Android, like a Samsung or an iPad, it has that glass texture. It feels very, very nice. Doesn't feel like it's not fragile by any means. This is all metal back here. The back portion here, this is probably a plastic is what it feels like. And that's a little pattern on it. I do know there's a little button here, a little door. And I don't know what that is for. Looks like the inside is metal there as well. So if you know what this is for, go ahead and let me know. Go ahead and click that back in. This runs anywhere online from, around $80 to $200, depending on what you get. This is a 10.1 inch screen. So yes, this is bigger than the factory radio by far, and this will not fit into the factory radio bezel. This is going to stick past it, and that's okay. I wanted that Tesla kind of vibe, a screen that sits further out, something different. So it mounts up right here on the sides. And so what's going to happen is the radio normal bezel will end here, and this is going to stick past just a little bit. And let's go ahead and put this away. Now I'll leave links to all the products below so you guys can get your hands on these. I'm going to go ahead and plug in all the harnesses so you have an idea what it looks like. I know for some people that might be important. that one goes right here. The nice thing about these kind of harnesses is all the different clips, as you can see here, they're all a different size. So you can't mess this part up. Like if you mess this part up, you broke something or you forced it. There we go, that one's in. And I still have to go over the manual to see what every little wire does. I know some of them are listed, but these USB ones, again, I'm not a wiring expert, so I don't know much about it. I know this one goes up here. Then we have GPS module. There we go. So you flip this over, you'll see there's only 2 spots open there and there. This kit did have the option to include a backup camera. I'm assuming it would just plug into this kit or into this single one. But I don't know what those other 2 locations or other 2 slots could be used for. But everything looks like it would work just fine. So again, I appreciate you guys so much for watching today's video. Thank you for all the support. We're pushing towards that 330 subscribers. And if you guys have any questions, concerns, like anything, let me know. But the link for all these products will be in the description below. So thank you guys so much for hanging out. Thank you so much for bringing me this far. I'll see you guys around. Have a great day. Stay safe, and I'll see you guys next week.